This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix iPhone contact missing or not showing problem after changing country. So if you have changed your country and after that you see some numbers are missing from your contact app, just follow these simple 3 steps to fix this problem. So the first solution is go to your settings, tap on your name, tap on iCloud, and here make sure to enable contacts option. If it's already enabled, then disable it and turn it back on, and then check the issue. Or if you imported contacts from your Gmail account, then scroll down and tap on mail, tap on accounts. Now tap on your Gmail account. Also here make sure to enable contacts option, and if it's already turned on, then turn off, turn it back on, and hope now you will get back your missing contacts. And the second solution is go to your general, tap on language and region, tap on region, and here you have to select the exact location where you are located, and then tap on date and time and enable set automatically. Once done, check the issue. And the third solution is reset all settings. To do that, open your settings app, general, scroll down, transfer or reset iPhone, reset all settings, then restart your iPhone, and hope this solution will fix your problem. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.